So in your computer keyboard, if you want to type a symbol like this, so this is a symbol for dotted square, and in this video I am going to show you how to create this symbol, that is a dotted square symbol in your Windows running computer using a keyboard shortcut. So for doing this, after opening your Microsoft Word, you can try this method. Okay, I'll show you. I'll try the shortcut code here. That is, the code is Alt 11034. This is the shortcut code. Okay, and I will show you how to use this for creating this symbol. So for creating that symbol, the most thing is that you must go to your computer keyboard, and you can see that this is the number lock key in your computer keyboard. So you must press this number lock key, so the light turn on here. Now that is the number lock have been enabled. The next step is that you must go to the keyboard's left portion, that is this portion. Here you can see, closer to your spacebar, you can see an Alt key. This is the Alt key on the left side. So you must press this Alt key. So you did not remove your finger from this Alt key. That is, you must press and hold this Alt key. And at the same time, using your finger, you can type here 11034. And after typing that, only you must release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, you can see that a symbol like this, that is the symbol for dotted square, have been arrived. So hope you understood how to type dotted square symbol in Windows computer. For more videos like this, please subscribe our channel Engineers Online. Thank you.